Well, good morning and welcome back to day 4. I think I was a little confused yesterday, but day 4 of Stacey Says, where we're focusing this week on lean and green meals and how they can benefit you and what exactly that means when you're on program. But most importantly, making it quick, making it fast, making it easy, making it family friendly, and making it delicious so that you can do this forever. So we've talked about we're talking about greens today. We talk about leans, we talk about healthy fats, and we're going to talk about condiments tomorrow. So that leaves today as greens, as I said. Now, of course, the sky is the limit when it comes to vegetables, with a few exceptions. Now, the 5-in-1 program has you eating what are called low glycemic vegetables, and those are vegetables that have their own natural sugar on the low side. So when you think about things like lettuce, not a lot of sugar in it, or eggplant, not a lot of sugar in it. But then you can kind of think of things like peppers, definitely higher sugar, or Brussels sprouts, a no-no on program because they're so high in sugar. Now, granted, you'll be able to incorporate some of those veggies back in once you're transitioning and, once you are maintaining. But for now, to maintain the chemistry of the 5-in-1 program, which is so important, you want to make sure that you stick to the list. Sorry. So I've got for you a link below to be able to download the list of lean and green veggies that are approved on there. So you can just click that. And then I also have for you, more importantly, this one, which is called the vegetable conversion chart. And the way they do this is because measuring the veggies is not easy. And I'm going to read right off of here. This is a vegetable conversion chart, which will help you convert of vegetables volume, which is cups, into its weight in grams and ounces so that you can get your veggies accordingly. Now, this is really a great list, and it's 4 pages long, and it's going to help you figure out, again, which are the best veggies for you. Now, much like we talk about the lean, leaner, and leanest, we've also got what they call lowest carbohydrate, moderate carbohydrate, and highest carbohydrates. So the lower the carbohydrates, the greater your portion you're going to get, and the higher the carbohydrates, the lower the portion you're going to get. Now, the key with these two is no matter which veggies you get, how do you cook them and how do you make them taste delicious, right? Because again, you can only stare down so much salad and you can only take a look at steamed broccoli so many times, right? So, well, of course, that's where Stacey Hawkins comes into play, and I want to be able to help you make those veggies taste delicious by cooking them properly, seasoning them properly, and giving you tons of options. And I gotta be honest, that's what I found was my key to success on program, was how do I take the limited amount of things that I can eat and make them taste good in such a way that I could eat them over and over again. So for all that information and more, you can check out the staceyhawkins.com website, and by all means, take a look through this video series that we've done this week. If today's the first day you're joining us, go back and watch Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, because there's a lot of great information in there for you as well. And if you like this, and if you thought it was great information and have other people who can benefit from it, please share. Now, tomorrow is going to be our last day. We're going to bring it all together, and we're going to wrap up with my favorite, which is condiments. Condiments can be super confusing, but they don't have to be. We're going to show you how to make it easy, delicious, and tasty. As always. All right, that's it. Have a fabulous day. Hope to see you back here tomorrow, and we're going to kick off the weekend with a bang. Bye!